Did you know that there is a place in India which has not one, not two, but 84 temples and shrines? Also, this place is 2.5 steps from heaven, which is what a lot of people believe. And if you didn't know that, probably you also don't know that this is the place that most Hindus believe that your soul goes through a tunnel to go to heaven or hell. Yeah, so let me take you to this place. And welcome to my channel Eccentric Sachin. I am Sachin Bhandari. I am going to take you to lesser known Himachal, to a beautiful place called Bharmor, and to a temple or an area of temples called Chaurasi Mandir.
Bharmor used to be the erstwhile capital of the Varman kingdom, if I am not getting the name of the rulers wrong. And later they moved their capital to Chamba city or to Chamba town, and that's why Chamba became the more populous or the more important city in the region.
Now, Chaurasi Mandir or the area was established about 1400 years ago. All of the temples or the shrines are basically Shivlingas or structures which are supposed to be a tribute or a way of worshipping Lord Shiva on earth. Now, these temples or these shrines were built by a king called Sahil Varman. Why did the king build these shrines back in the 7th century? There's an interesting story behind that as well. The reason is that there were a lot of saints or rishis who had come from Kurukshetra, I think, which is present day somewhere close to New Delhi, and they were going to Mani Mahesh, which is sort of known as Little Kailash, or a very important worship place for Lord Shiva. And while crossing, they crossed from Bharmor and they actually meditated in the place. So as a tribute to all of these rishis, these saints, these holy men, the king built 84 shrines for Lord Shiva. Apart from these 84 shrines for Lord Shiva, there is also a temple or a statue which is dedicated to Lord Vishnu in his Narsimha avatar. Narsimha avatar is the one where he's like the lion. That's an interesting story as well. You should try to understand that. So it is a fantastic place also to take your family because it's filled with culture, tradition, and not just that, it also has a lot of stories and legends. And I don't even want to get started on the gorgeous and the scenic views that you get to see around Chaurasi Mandir, because it's almost at the edge of a hill and you get a beautiful view of the Himalaya ranges from this temple location itself. The most important or the most interesting story is of Dharamraj. Dharamraj is Yamraj. Yamraj is the god of death in Hinduism, and they say that there probably is only one temple dedicated to him in the entire universe, and that one is here at this Chaurasi Mandir in Bharmor.
It has a very beautiful idol which I'm not allowed to click a picture of. It's like a Shivling but bigger. It has 2 eyes, and it is said that there is a cave right below this temple. It's definitely there, but it's not open to public. And once all of us Hindus who die, actually our soul has to travel through the cave, and Dharamraj or Yamraj decides the fate of our next step in the journey, whether we go to heaven or to hell. And to assist him, there is also Chitragupt, who keeps or maintains a record of our actions, our behaviors, our karma while we are on the planet, so as to help Yamraj decide whether we will go to heaven or to hell. On that side, where the boys are sitting, there is there's a small sort of square, and in that square there are 2 impressions of footsteps or of 2 feet, and it is said that that's the seat of Chitragupt. That's the kacheri, or that's the court of Dharmraj. So very interesting stories here at Bharmor. If you do manage to get yourself here, I'm pretty certain that you will get to know a lot about these legends, and do read up, do talk to the locals. There are a lot of interesting legends and stories associated with the temples here in Bharmor. And my Sarika's cousin he has come, and the moment I moved the camera, he ran away. Okay.
And if you have any questions about Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh, please let me know in comments. I will be more than happy to help you. I don't claim to know everything, but whatever I know, I will share with you. That's it from me in this video. I'll see you in the next one pretty soon. Hey, if you like that video, then go ahead and follow Eccentric Sachin. You can also go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the bell notification. Until we meet in the next video, keep traveling.
Say hi, Kavya.
हाय
Okay. कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ते हो बताओ? डीवी दोनों एक ही स्कूल में पढ़ते हो?
जी
अच्छा. कौन से स्टैंडर्ड में हो सक्षम? काव्या तुम?
थर्ड
फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट कौन सा तुम्हारा सक्षम?
हमारा साइंस
साइंस. और काव्या?
साइंस
साइंस. अच्छा. और स्पोर्ट्स? स्पोर्ट्स कौन सा पसंद है?
क्रिकेट
और तुम्हें काव्या?
वॉलीबॉल
वॉलीबॉल. अच्छा. ओके. कूल.